This is a Kosher Tourist, and I'm going to take you on a little tour of my pad here in Ho Chi Minh. First one, I made this video earlier, so now it's not going to be fresh. Turn the lights on. They want to come on. Alright, there's a couple things here and there, but it's all good. Here's the little baby kitchen. Excuse any of the little mess, because, like I said, I don't know, I thought I made this video. And here's the bathroom. I actually go to the stairwell. Not the best. Couch, bed. It's a studio, but has this thing between, sort of, kind of keeps like a separation-ish, I guess you could say. Then you have over here, fridge, cabinets. Remember cabinets, somebody kind of moved in a little bit. And here, hang stuff up over here. Safe down there, but I don't think it works. I mean, it did work before, but more things here. More space, but don't need. Over here, they're locked. What's it called? Anyway, I was outside, so that's why I left this kind of closed so I can save on electricity. I had this for a month, and so I had to pay electricity when it's the monthly. It's $15 million for the month, which is about $572 last time I checked. Oh, this door never works. To lift and push. Beautiful little alley down here. There's the ATM bar. Very cute. My friend tells me it's like one of the top 50 bars here in Vietnam, or top 500, something, I don't know. Yeah, there's the landmark. For instance, it's called Landmark 81, because there's 81 stories. I didn't know it was so tall. That's about it. This door never closes either. Oh, there we go. That's pretty much about it. Got a little space over there for working. Got a baby TV. Close the blinds. Keep some of the heat out. Cool weather in. I mean, the electric shouldn't cost you that much. I had to pay 4,000 dong. So I'm not sure what that is. 15 cents. Let me see. No, it's actually quite expensive. I think 20. Well, I'm sure it's more than normal. Little table I could eat at. And that's pretty much about it. So let's go upstairs. And there's a quote-unquote gym. Rooftop. Let's check out the rooftop and gym on the 6th floor. It's nice also that they use keys. This one's house for Shabbat and any holidays. If I would stay here, I'm not sure if I'm staying here, but sorry about that. And there's a what's it called here. Let's go up the stairs. There's a elevator, but it doesn't go all the way up. Okay, we're gonna go up the rest of the way on the stairs. Elevator only goes to the 5th floor, and after that you have to go up the stairs. Here's the 6th floor, that's it. There's a washing, dry. Washing and what's it called is included in the price. Oh, it looks like they might have enhanced the gym a little bit. You have a treadmill, which I guess works. I don't know, I never tried it. I don't think I had before. You have weights, some sort of bench. Not sure what that's all about. You do pull-ups. Looks like there's something here. Maybe it was attached at one point to something. I don't see the weights there. And you have a little stick of rooftop up here. You can go further up, I guess. Let's go see. Let's explore. Reminds me of India for some reason. Oh, that's just the water heaters on. Nothing really up here. Very windy. I don't know if I really trust these stairs. Let's get back down. Very windy here, I don't want to lose my hat. Let's go back in. I guess where the action happens. They do laundry 3 times a week. They do ironing. They did ironing downstairs. I guess you can come up here and do laundry maybe if you want. I don't know what this is. Alright, there's 2 apartments up here. I don't know what that deal is. Alright, go back down and grab the elevator. Alright, so like I said, it's about 15 million for the month. This is the large studio. Sorry about that. Not a large TV, but large studio. Also the fan, I asked for the fan to sort of help keep the cost down, because with the fan on, it'll help make it cooler in here. Besides having the AC on, I have the AC on, but I think I have it on 24.5 now. I turn it up or turn it down, however you want to call it. Before I leave, when I come back, I'm here for an extended period. I could probably turn it like down to a higher, lower temperature, which means make it cooler, right? That makes sense. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out the electricity. I don't think it should be any much more than let's say 2 million dong, which is about $70. I think total cost, I won't know till the end of the month, but total cost shouldn't be more than maybe $650. It's a little bit more expensive than some places, but it's monthly. You can rent this place daily for, I think it's 850,000, so it's about $32 US, I think, approximately somewhere in that range. It's about $38 to 1,000. I'm sorry, to 1,000, to a million dong. I'm thinking of other denominations. So I think it's one of the highest denominations there is in the world. I know that the Lao kip has been coming up also. It's I think in the 20s. When you talk about U.S. dollars, talk about other currencies. I'm not 100% sure because I don't kind of really know the USD. I know Thai baht because I'm more normally in Thailand, and it's about 809 Vietnamese dong to a Thai baht. So if you have like 100 baht, then you have like 80,000, almost just shy of 81,000 dong. So what is it for a million? I don't know. $38 times 32. But maybe probably like a little over 1,000. No, a bit over 1,000. 1,000 baht. So I think it's about 21,000 baht all in, I want to say. So it's similar to what you can get in Thailand. In Thailand, you can get for 10, 15, 20,000. It depends. It's like a nicer areas in Bangkok. Obviously, you can go to other places and get for 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. People are paying $300-400. So me, I'm paying much more because I'm also monthly and usually Airbnb over in Thailand because I can't really find monthly besides Airbnb. Otherwise, it's what's it called? It's yearly rent, and I'm not there the full year. Like for now, I'm here for about a month and a half, 2 months, maybe a little longer. I don't know. I can stay up to 3 months, but I'm only gonna probably stay a month and a half and go back to Bangkok around New Year's, Jewish New Year's, Rosh Hashanah. All right, that's it for me. For the Kosher Tourist in Ho Chi Minh, aka Saigon, Vietnam. Cheers.